Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Beyond the Call of Duty awareness program conducted by the 6th MLP Battalion, Umran. COVID-19 vaccinations in the state conducted without any hitches. The FKJGP Sorongkham felicitates achievers in a special event. And all nursery, lower primary and upper primary schools within Jowai town shall remain closed. And now the news in detail. The police personnel of the 6th MLP Battalion Umran have been conducting awareness programs and behavioral change campaign in the surrounding villages of the battalion headquarters aimed at combating the COVID-19 pandemic. Sri Lakador's AIM MPS Commandant 6th MLP Battalion Umran said, in view of the surge of COVID-19 in the state and as directed by the PHQ, our Health and Hygiene Committee members have started the awareness and behavioral change campaign from the 21st April 2021 from Umran Nyang Bernai village. Sri Lakador's AIM said that the police personnel are going beyond the call of duty to create awareness and remind the public about the pandemic as people seem to have forgotten the SOPs and COVID-appropriate behavior. As requested by the Deputy Commissioner, he also informed from the side of the police, they have also encouraged those over 45 years of age to avail the vaccination drive against COVID-19 from the nearest health centre. In addition to talks by the paramedical staff, audio messages, posters, pamphlets given by the DMHO Riboy district were also distributed to the public. The places covered so far by this campaign include Umran Nyang Bernai, Lumkeni, Nong Deu Sao, Mardon Mautari, Mardon Nongba, Ksi, SOS Children's Village, Lat Sao Yam, Tasor, Kanjan Umran, Mau Yap Bang, Mau Ejnar, Tasor Nong Jirmi. Villages in and around the battalion headquarters will be covered during this ABC campaign in the coming days.
Nang ban yada yati la kane ke chinsang COVID khat khandai ko ha ban sim ya kane ke kabu bala ai da sarkar mapila ban yada yana de bat yaki gairu kunju khublai sibun.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
The District Magistrate, an order issued today, 27th April 2021, has informed that all nursery, lower primary and upper primary schools within Jowai town shall remain closed with effect from 28 April 2021 until further orders. However, ongoing MBOS examinations will continue as scheduled by strictly following COVID protocols. It has been stated that there has been a spike in positive corona cases from returnees coming from different states having lockdown and exponential cases, and also due to highly contagious nature of the virus, it is necessary to break the transmission chain, and it was necessary to put in place preventive measures so that the pandemic of COVID-19 does not spread in the district. The vaccination against COVID-19 conducted in West Jaintia Hills and East Khasi Hills district by the Health Department today for those over 45 years of age concluded without any hitches. Staffs of the department paid a visit to all the localities in the area to administer the vaccines. Various documents such as EPIC, Aadhaar, PAN card, pension card, driving license were used to authenticate the age of the recipients and to register them for the vaccination. All those who were vaccinated were advised to rest of some duration before proceeding home. Many elderly citizens expressed hope that the vaccine would go a long way in protecting them from the virus. Some even went on to say when they found out that a vaccination drive was going to be conducted in the area, they took steps to ensure that they were there to participate. The DC of West Jaintia Hills remarked that there has been a decrease in the number of people coming for vaccination. After the spike in cases, the number has increased significantly.
Mày từ đây học cột đi làm de nhà thành của em chỉ tâm hồ cái này hồ phát từ một ông gì hỏi gì nữa từ một cái ông gì hỏi là nhà lại cái lâu quanh nó แต่ไม่ได้ว่าองกิมห้อยแต่หมดตั้งงานแล้ววันเนี่ยซะการได้องที่ห้อยเห็นตั้งงานแล้วก็ร้อยวันเลยแต่ว่าเอาใช้เพี้ยแต่ว่าไม่เอากวายที่โบชิตอม
kan itu update yang di COVID cases support ke district dok nenmiet ke empok ke dashboard si spak nukli ki case negini si spak nru si pangut da sumar po MCH hospital hajuai ki the rest MG haki home isolation atauในstep itu ke dashboard sudah yok tip untuk health department dari EV cuman ki return ni itu ke vaccination ya total complete tang kena apli di sini ke sajanya absolut kena saja yang ada di total first dose sepak leku pra di second dose artinya hadin kena kejeng ya jam komiting waktu senjuk juga cenong ni tu di nongi lam niam nen ke simende dia udah ku district di first dose si jarak sepak ngot kis kondus kendai mulai ngot.
Rekaman soal hal jang hit. Ngin pat yo. Kendai lang kita kadang ni ting sirkai mo.
Tarang si interview
ngin baron beri. Lakwa kini banyak dah. Ini kan penting tips air do kata-kata ke pelong ini berokma minyawan mo hilat jin suma kami yo akan dikalat berai injection manyada ti mismo komen Hoi, di kumbal pelayu ini mentangi nilai wan berok siang. Kani rumah terai gede gue ini di ti berok siang ini nilai wan lu mentang bagi ni air dan injection. Di kuntahi kubur segi beru anung tiang wan sakman air injection ya dai gadi.
The FKJGP Sorangkham Circle organized a special event on 26 April 2021 to felicitate the residents of the area who have contributed to the community in various fields, bringing laurel and fame to the village of Sorangkham. Among those who were felicitated were teachers, doctors, local indigenous herbalists, members of the Navy and police, football players and referees. Mr. Bristar Mauta, President of FKJGP Morankaneng, who is also in charge of supervising the Sorangkham Circle, was the chief guest at the event, which was attended by the members of the FKJGP of the Circle. He lauded the initiative taken by the Sorangkham unit to organize such a meaningful event to honor the people who have made such significant contributions to the area and the region. Mr. Ramesh Nongbri, advisor of the organization, remarked that it was indeed a proud moment for everyone to be able to felicitate the men and women who have achieved so much in the world today. From amongst those who were recognized and honored for their achievements, Mr. Mboklang Nongklau has represented India in the under-16 football tournament outside the country, and now he is representing the Bengaluru B team. Mr. Ricky Marshall Sanna has been selected as a referee of All India Football Federation AIFF, and Mr. Yo Adiang Kardoin, a local herbalist who is known to have cured those who have been bitten by snakes.
Sorangkham Circle, Ramesh Nongbri. Kalian jengi pilih kai kini ke tridis anak out football tournament ke diumu jeng kini kelong bangi penkup burom ya kinong sosnong jok kinong Sorangkham kibat dan sibun ki jinok senyang hakam ke baki kitre te kum kinong hikai ki doktor te ki bodan hakajong kedan kum ki navy ki biomi lingkong nani ke kinong Sorangkham podan munu mai navy te kum ju i profesor ibadai physics Department Physics, Department Kesanlang Nongbri, badai assistant professor beningkong nang Senang Sorangkham. Te kum kesenong bat kiwi. Te kitu kiba, ya kesenang kumba kitu kiba ada wai kasi. Sila dan ke jinok senyang ako Kesenang Sorangkham. Kamtam iwe itu bapu pesen amar mentah bangi kum kinong rap. Sibuni kenduk gijing akala. Kum dat kenyang kumpuk pesen. Dai mai ibla sumar habrok kowe Kesenang Sorangkham. Te kum kesenong dan kata kejing sorong. Ya kesenong bangimi kum kini kiri orang ba bikun samla kibaran lah kacang kedan bagian wanra ikana keburom cak kesenong tungjuk ngadan we na itlia football Sorangkham ibne napa on 16 All India Football Federation it was siam ke India bertunjuk mentai lekai pok Bengaluru dari nak sorkham teng sorong tengi kum ginung lam jam.
Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik today had a consultative meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma and Honorable Health Minister Shri A.L. Heck to take stock of the situation in the state relating to COVID-19 pandemic. The meeting was also attended by Dr. Amanwar, DHSMI, and Shri Ram Kumar, Mission Director NHM, who made brief presentations in the meeting. Honorable Chief Minister apprised Honorable Governor about the present COVID-19 situation in the state, the preparedness in terms of number of COVID-19 beds, ICU beds and oxygen facilities. He also elaborated on the strategies of the state government and health government in controlling the pandemic situation. It was informed in the meeting about the current 1,456 active cases, high positivity rate as compared to earlier 3 months, new rules for quarantine and home monitoring. It was shared in the meeting that about 1,200 out of the current cases of 1,456 are below the age of 45 years, and vaccination is the only way to control the situation. There are sufficient doses of vaccines in the state and around 65 earmarked ICU beds and 700 beds of oxygen to cater to emergency situations. Honorable Chief Minister also informed that the state government never let its guard down earlier this year, and even in the current situation, testing and vaccination has been ramped up. Honorable Governor expressed his satisfaction with the current levels of preparedness and planning, and he requested for consultative strategies to encourage more vaccination and to create awareness about it. He also suggested that for asymptomatic and mild cases, home isolation and treatment could be provided to ease the pressure on hospitals. They could be provided home kits for monitoring, and doctors could visit them at home. The suggestion was instantly welcomed by all in the meeting. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.